Good morning, grade 12 entrepreneurship students. Today we will try to understand about the concept of BEP. This is a complete sum kind of where I am going to teach you about how BEP is calculated where there are three different products that you deal with. How to calculate BEP when you have three products to deal with, right? Now we'll take the example. Hi-Fi Company. See, it's a name of a company. Hi-Fi Company is a manufacturer of school uniforms. They manufacture what? School uniform. Their main items are shirts, pants, socks. These three things they manufacture. It is just an imaginary thing. Shirts, pants and socks they manufacture. The fixed cost of production is 1,53,600. This is irrespective of the fact whether they are manufacturing shirts, pants or socks. Whatever it is, for all the three put together, the fixed cost is 1,53,600. The sales price and variable cost are as follows. See, remember what is fixed cost? Fixed cost is something that is not going to change. You manufacture socks, you manufacture pant, you manufacture anything, fixed cost is going to be the same. Right? What is variable cost? Variable cost varies. It fluctuates. Right? Now, in the question they have given, sales price is 126, 216 and 19. This is per unit price that they have given. Each shirt is sold in the market for 126 rupees. Trousers are sold for 216 rupees and the socks are sold for 90 rupees. Right? The variable cost involved for shirts, the cost COGS, variable cost or cost of COGS involved is 84 rupees, 114 rupees and 54 rupees respectively for shirts, trousers and socks. Now the sales mix percentage of the three products is 20%, 60% and 20%. 20, 60, 20, that brings to 100. Right? So find out the BEP. You have to find BEP in units as well as in rupees. I hope you have understood the question. Everybody understood the question? This is a question. I will explain one more time. In this question, what information they have given? First thing they gave is fixed cost. They have given fixed expenses to be 1,53,600 rupees. And then they have told us the sales price of individual. Fixed cost हमेशा तीनों को मिला के होता है. All the three put together you get. Right? When you talk about the sales price, individual sales price is given. Individual variable cost is given. Okay children? Now the sales mix percentage of all the three products is 20%, 60% and 20% respectively. Now what are we supposed to find? BEP in units and BEP in rupees. So let's start. How to do the BEP? What is the pro forma? What is the formulas? I will explain the formula here and rub it children. To find the BEP, step 1. What will you do? You will do sales minus variable cost. What will you arrive at? You arrive at contribution. Right? After you arrive at contribution, how do you find the BEP? BEP is nothing but contribution by fixed cost. You have done it in grade 12. Sorry, grade 11 you have already done, but for a single product. Today we will see for all the three products put together with the sales mix percentage that is given there. Right? Understood? So what you will do, step 1, sales minus variable cost. When required, the duster is not seen. Okay. Right. So we will see the solution now. First thing you have to draw is put a small box kind of thing. Yes children, presentation is important. Accounting life is dabba life. You have to put lot of boxes. Okay. Now this is shirts. This is trousers. And this is socks. Alright. Now what is the sales price given? Sales is 126 rupees, 216 rupees and 90 rupees minus variable cost. That is the formula, na? When they have given individually, it is very easy for us to subtract individually. Understood children? You have to do sales minus variable cost. So when I subtract Sales minus variable cost 126 minus 84. First of all, I will arrive at something called gross margin or contribution. You can call it anyways, children. Both mean one and the same. Right. When I subtract a 126 from 84, I arrive at 42. When I subtract 216 from 114, I arrive at 102. When I subtract 90 from 54, I arrive at 36. So till here clarity is there. If you do till here, you get 2 marks. For the 5-mark question, you get 2 marks. What have you done? You took the sales minus variable cost. Simple. So you arrived at contribution. Right. Now when you arrive at contribution, we have to do something called contribution margin or gross margin, whatever we get. Contribution into sales mix percentage. They have given sales mix percentage, na children. Right. So this 42 into 20%. This is into 60%. This is into 20%. That is what they have given in the question now. 20, 60, 20. Right? So when you do that, when you multiply 42 into 20%, what do you arrive at? You arrive at 8.4. You can do the calculation, children. We will not waste the time doing the calculation on the rough column now. You can do it in the rough column when you are practicing really. This arrives at 61.2 and the last one 36 into 20% will give us 7.2. Right? So I'll repeat one more time. We have done sales minus variable cost. Both the figures are given in the question. You arrive at this. With this you are multiplying the percentage, that is sales mix percentage. Got it? Now you have to add this, children. Add this. Why are you adding this? You call it as sum of weighted, because we have BEP common fixed expense, but all this is individual. So sum of weighted contribution, weighted sales mix contribution is equal to add 8.4, 61.2 plus 7.2. Right. You arrive at 76.8. Till here clarity is there, children. You arrive at 76.8. Now I got to rub the board one time because there is less space, children. Till here you have understood that we have arrived at 76.8. Right. Now we will try to understand that how to calculate break even. Break even formula is what? Total fixed cost divided by, if I do the BEP here, BEP is equal to total fixed cost by weighted average contribution. What is the total fixed cost? It is given in the question, na children. What is the total fixed cost? What is the total fixed cost, children? Total fixed cost is 1,53,600. What is the weighted average? We have added na 76.8. So that will give us 2,000. The answer is done. Understood? In a normal sum where there is no mention of the percentage, you can directly add these three and do the weighted average. But when they have mentioned the percentage of sales mix, that means that is a proportion at which sales is done. So that's the way. That means एक महीने का 20% sales हो जाता है, trouser का 60% and socks का 20%. You know, you are getting it. So when the percentage is given, you have to do on the percentage basis, arriving at 76.8. So this would be the contribution. What is the formula? Fixed cost by weighted average contribution, that we arrive at 2,000 rupees. Got it? This is BEP in rupees, children. This is BEP in rupees. Now I'll be rubbing the board and trying to make you understand that how to do BEP in unit. Right? class Right. To arrive at BEP in unit, what do we do is, okay, BEP in unit. Because in the questions they have asked, us to do BEP in rupees as well as BEP in units. The first one that we arrive is BEP in rupees. The second one that we are going to do is, first it is always convenient to do BEP in rupees. Then you can do it easily in BEP in units. Right. Now we will see shirt, trousers and socks. What is the BEP that we arrived at in units? Children, remember it is 2000. 2000 rupees, sorry. BEP in rupees, what did we arrive at? 2000 rupees. Alright. Now we have to understand how to convert the same thing in units. What is the sales mix ratio percentage given? The percentage is 20%, 60% and 20%. Right? So what into total BEP? What is the total BEP arrived? Average तीनों को मिला के एक BEP arrive करे ना rupees में. That is 2000. Right? So that 2000 you have to multiply. So BEP in units is nothing but 2000 into 20%, 60% into 2000, 20% into 2000. You have to multiply. This is a multiplication symbol. You arrive at 2000 into 20% is 400, 2000 into 60% is 600. This is the same repetition, again 400. Right? So break-even point in rupees is product break-even point into price per unit. This is individually. Shirt के लिए ये, trouser के लिए ये and socks. Understood? Now I have to rub the board one more time, children. This is a lengthy sum. I have to rub the board. Product BEP is nothing but 400 into 126, that is the selling price. 12, this is for shirts, this is for trousers and this is for socks. Okay, now we arrive at 1200 into, what is the selling price of this? 216. We arrive at socks, that is 400 into 90. Right? So overall we get we arrive at 3,45,600. Hope you have understood. See, I did that very fast because you have to multiply this and then you will get at that conclusion. Clear, children? So till here you have clarity of how to do the fixed BEP. I will one more time repeat. First in the question they will give you fixed cost. Then they will give you sales price and variable cost. What you have to do first? First you have to take the fixed cost here. And first you have to take the sales minus variable cost. You arrive at contribution. Simple contribution is enough, but they have given percentage of sales. That signifies that much percentage of sales mix is approximately applicable for all the three. Right, so we are going to calculate weighted average since the fixed cost is given for all the three put together. Right, we are going to find out for all the three put together. What we do, step 1, sales minus variable cost. You arrive at an answer. That answer is again multiplied with the sales percentage. This answer is called gross margin or contribution margin. Then you multiply it with the, then you multiply that answer with the sales mix percentage. When you add that multiplication figure, you arrive at weighted average contribution. Weighted contribution it is. Right, weighted contribution. What is the formula for BEP? Fixed cost by weighted contribution, that you arrive at rupees 2000. Then this rupees 2000 is applicable for shirt, trouser and socks. So you are converting it into units. For converting it into units, what did we do? We just multiplied the number of units with the sales mix percentage. We arrived at a figure, and in overall rupees you are going to find out as 3,45,600. Right? If you have doubts, one more time we'll see in the Zoom session. I know this is a lengthy problem that I took, because this is one big problem this is one problem with a complete package. You're getting it, children? With a complete package. That is why I took a bigger sum. This is how you do BEP for your projects also. Right? Thank you and have a very nice day.